how this is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm gonna show you, or in this when I'm gonna unbox a product for you guys. This is one bag for Mac Mini 123 version. 4 version is different the size. So I have Mac Mini 2 here, that is 2023 version. I have bought so I can use this one to take different places for traveling purpose. Here is the bag, you can see lovely packaging. Price could be different. I paid $12. So different places you could have different price. Let's take this off from here. Lovely light pack. You can see. Wow. Good quality and durable, I feel that. Okay. You can see double zipper here this side. So I roll over and open this one. Let's see how it is. Beautiful here. Inside little bit hard type of thing in this, but good for travel, nothing else. The purpose is, let me put my Mac Mini here. Close this one as this. That's all, it doesn't even move inside, and you can take whatever you want, you can carry with you while you are traveling. So very comfortable, cheaper. So a bag for Mac Mini, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.